Right now, the economy sentiment score is at plus 0.15, with a notable momentum of plus 0.44 over the past 24 hours. This is remarkable, because it's a sharp uptick compared to the historical baseline, indicating a sudden shift in sentiment that you won't want to overlook. Our API returns a rich payload of sentiment data, including semantic clusters, which can help you identify key themes driving these changes. For example, you could leverage this data to optimize your predictive models for economic forecasting, adjusting your strategies based on this new momentum. To dive deeper into how you can utilize this data effectively, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. This could be the insight you need to stay ahead in your next project.